Are you missing Google reviews on your Google business profile? Don't panic. There's a way to appeal it and get them back. All right, let's just go to Google and actually search Google Business Profile Help, okay? Once you see that, go ahead and click on Google Business Profile Help. I've already done that and it's opened up a new. Scroll down until you get to Contact Us, okay? And then you're going to select your business. Now, in my case, I have several businesses that we work with that are in here, but you can just typically scroll down to grab yours, whichever one yours is. I'll grab this one. And so I've grabbed it, and then I'm going to click Missing Reviews. Okay, next. I'm going to say Review Missing. Next step. Okay, case in process. We're still working on a support case for you. Yeah, that's fine. So they're still working on another support case for me. That's fine. Next. And then you don't need to check anything off in here. Just click next. Email is fine. And then this is what you're going to want to fill out. Okay. So what is your name? Your name is whatever your name is on your business profile. So if it is, let's say, Clark Communications, and this is the name, that's what you're going to put in right here, okay? What is your email address? That pre-populated to the account that I'm signed in with, and that's fine. Canada, you can put your phone number in here, that's fine. What is your relationship? So in this case, if you own the business or if you're an agency that represents the business, select it. The business name, again, sorry, your name goes up here. I apologize. So it's your personal name. Down here is your business name as seen on Google Search and Google Maps. Your business address, again, as seen in here. If it isn't showing and it's a service area business, just type in service area and business, okay? And leave it at that. For the business profile ID, this is important. Basically, all you do is, if I'm here and I look for Paul Myers right here, I would just, because I'm logged into it, I could just click these three dots, go into business profile settings, go down to advanced settings, and copy this ID. And then you come back and you're going to paste your ID right in here. Then it says, has it been previously suspended? You say yes or no. This is your entire profile. Does the profile belong to an, say in this case, no. How many reviews are missing? Whatever you think your reviews are missing. Okay. Are new reviews being published on the profile? Just check your profile and see if new ones are being published. Be yes or no. And then this is important. What time frame did they go missing? So try to nail down a time frame that you believe they went missing. And this is the important part. Now, you need to know which reviews are missing. You can't just say we're missing reviews. They need to have some more specifics. So if you have a CRM, your CRM probably has a reputation management module in there. And you will be able to go back to see all your reviews. They wouldn't be removed from your CRM. Failing that, you could just go to your email, type in great job, comma, you have a new 5-star review, or great job, you have a new, leave it at that, remove the end part. And then all of your reviews will come up and the dates will be there and you'll be able to see which ones you're missing, okay? And you're gonna wanna go in and get the specific name to the people that you've lost. Okay, so view all reviews. You're going to want their name right here. That's what you're going to put into this situation right here. Okay, this is important. And then you would just put, if it's Paul Myers, comma, John Smith, comma, whatever again is their actual name on the missing review. So if you don't have a CRM to find the missing review, you're going to have to go back to your email, because every time you get a review, you get an email that's sent to you. So you'll be able to use that. describe your issue. Just say missing reviews. If you have a related case, blah, 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 great. You hit submit. This creates an official ticket with Google. This is the way that you appeal missing reviews, and it works fairly well. Now, they're going to be bombarded. They had probably did a spam filtering on reviews, and that means that there's probably millions of people that are sending in this exact request. So be patient. It could take a month, could take 2 months. It's going to take some time. All right. Okay. I hope this helps. Thanks.